Hi, I'm Marna, and I've been to Hobby Lobby. Talk about haul. Oh my goodness. I'm working on a setup for this winter, a little scene of the little sleds that the American girls have with the sled dogs and the little coats and boots and little sled dog scene. So I've been watching out for boots. Well, we went to Hobby Lobby and I went back to the clearance aisle and they didn't have anything there and I was a bit disappointed, and I walked over to their 18-inch doll clothes. Holy cow. I found these adorable, adorable little mucklucks that are going to be so cute for my sled dog scene, as well as this little coat, this little jacket with the hood. When I was racing sled dogs, neon pink and neon yellow were my colors. I figured they could find me out there if I got lost. These coats were $2.49. They're originally $9.99. The boots, $1.49, normally $5.99. So they only had a couple pair of the boots, and they didn't have a whole lot of the coats, but they had other stuff. And I'm standing there looking, and I'm getting some things because the 18-inch doll clothes fit more than just the 18-inch dolls. They also fit the bitty babies and the 28-inch Barbies. Okay, that's short, and she might need some pants under it, but honest to God, in the 70s, we wore them that short. This is my ball jointed doll, and I took that outfit in a little bit for her, but I think it's real cute. So what did I do? I'm standing there at the cart, and I've got some things in, and I'm like, oh my God, tan shoes for $1.24, normally $5. Well, I've got to have every pair they have of those. They had black shoes, $1.24, normally $5. Well, I bought every pair of those. They had this little outfit that is a 6-piece set, normally $15, $3.74. But it has little sandals with it. See the little outfit here, little girl standing there, and it says blessed. Oh, how cute is that? And it also has a little cross bracelet with this one. This one is a 5-piece set, and it came with the shirt, the shift, the headband, and 2 bracelets, which I thought was really cute. Don't fall, Barbie. This was a 4-piece set, the little jean skirt and the t-shirt with the necklace and the little crossbody purse. So cute. Now, how much was that one? Let's see. That one, I might not have another one out. Well, let me tell you, it wasn't over $3. This is a 4-piece set, the dress, the tights, the headband. I love those little headbands, and the little purse. $3.24. How am I going to walk away? Then they had these. Oh my God, that's going to be so cute with that little jacket. $1.49. Normally $5.99. Well, I there's just one after another, and I don't think any of them were over $3. They were less than $4. How's that? Look at this little set with that chain purse. Oh my goodness. How am I going to leave these? So here comes Darren, and I've got some in my cart, and I'm looking at him like, I don't know what to do. So he starts emptying the the little hooks that they were hanging on. He starts emptying, putting in the cart, emptying, put in the cart. Then he grabbed one over here and put it in the cart. And then I was looking at some others. He's like, no, I already looked. That one's not on sale. So we put in. We bought every one. You ever hear of Baa Baa Black Sheep? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full I bought. And thank you, Hobby Lobby. They gave me bags that I can make patterns out of. Although, why would I need to sew some more clothes? Then I also found in the doll craft department these little hats. I use these for Barbies and smaller dolls. This one was $1.12, and there's 12 in it. And I use these for my beginner crafters too. It's just a fun little thing. 49 cents for 8 pieces on that. And somewhere in those bags are Barbie-sized witch's hat that I couldn't find right away. 81 cents. Isn't that cute? That's going to be fun. Look at that. How cute is that? You know what? I wonder if it fits her. How cute will that be? Adorkable. I bought some fabric that was 40% off. This was $7.99 a yard. I got it for whatever, 40% off. $4.79 a yard. I want to use this on a tea set for a tablecloth. I thought that'd be real cute coming up for my ball jointed dolls. My American Girls or 18-inch dolls, as well as my BJDs might want to decorate a tree. And honest to God, 3 bags full. And what we'd like to do, this is a hidden giveaway. We are going to be sending one lucky subscriber. You must be a subscriber. You must like this video, and you must leave a comment below. We're going to send you one of these outfits, I don't know, randomly picked, and another subscriber, same thing, be a subscriber, leave a comment, leave a like, a pair of shoes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hurry to Hobby Lobby. Please subscribe.